Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see from the title, I have a very rare car for you today. But about a month ago, I posted a video about 5 reasons why I drive a Crown Victoria over any other exotic. And that video was actually pretty successful, and I made quite a bit of money on it. So let me show you how much money did I make. Let's see here. $99.32 in revenue. So since I am a big baller right now, I'm gonna spend that YouTube money the way all YouTubers do, by buying more cars. And buying more cars, I certainly did. And one of the cars that I bought is this 2002 Ford Crown Victoria. And at first glance, it may look like a regular Ford Crown Victoria, but it's not. It's probably one of my favorite LX Sport models. And this car is one owner with only 40,000 original miles. Yes, 40,000 original miles. And this car needs, one of everything, but I'll get it to perfection. This car will be for sale after I'm done with it. And there's a couple of issues here that we'll address. And the shipper did some damage. As you can see, they broke the trim pieces. I was gonna repaint these because these peel off all the time, but he robbed me of that opportunity. I ordered all new trim. I'm gonna put all new stuff in here. He bent the exhaust in the back. Well, actually didn't bend it, he just ripped off some of the hangers when he was unloading the car. So here's the negative review of the day. Don't do business with Big City Transport LLC. Absolute scum of the universe, okay? Absolutely the most horrific shipping experience I have ever had, and I've been doing this for quite some time. Never had to deal with a douchebag like this. But, good thing is I'm a lawyer, so he's gonna get sued. So, Big City Transport LLC, don't do business with them. So, I'm gonna work on this car, and it's really dirty, it's really filthy, so I'm gonna clean it out. But let me just show you about a couple of cool Porsches. So, this is a 2011 Carrera S convertible, and the cool thing about it, it's extremely rare because we got this. It's a manual, and I bought probably one of the most hated Porsches out there. One of my favorite, the 996 Carrera 4, also convertible with the hardtop, and that's locked. Also a manual. So absolutely beautiful car with the optional wheels, fully loaded. Love this thing. And there's a Mercedes GL over there, which they seem like a regular GL at first glance, but it's not. It's actually an armored car. As you can see how thick the glass is. This is all armored, bulletproof. I haven't had a chance to do anything with it, so, but maybe I'll do a video on this separately. So as you can see, it's all fully protected for all your gangster needs. So first thing we're gonna do, also picked up a Bentley convertible. But first thing we're gonna do with the Crown Vic is I gotta get rid of these lights. So let's do that. I've been suffering with this for about an hour now. This is rusted and I can't get this bolt off. It's the same story as with the other Crown Vic. And the this is completely stuck, so I need to cut it. I don't have my Dremel tool, so this is gonna have to wait till tomorrow to finish up. But this car is actually idling a little wonky, so I bought a new idler control valve, so let's replace that and see if they'll fix the issue. Well, it looks like someone has been here before. There's some glue that someone has applied on top of the gasket, so let's replace this. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we replaced the idler control valve with the OEM valve. Someone has clearly been there before. Somebody's been messing with this already. So I put a brand new gasket as well, OEM. But before I start the car, there's one more thing that I gotta change. This fan right here, the electrical fan, is throwing, it's blowing a fuse. So it has too much draw on it, so it's bad, and I gotta change it. Unfortunately, they don't sell OEM fans anymore. Ford is completely out of stock, so I had to buy an aftermarket fan. So I'll change it right now, and then we'll start the car, okay? That took a minute, and it's of course it's already 10,000 degrees in Florida, so there's no air conditioning in here, so I am out of breath, so I gotta exercise more. Replace the fan. Here's the old fan. Unfortunately, I will not be able to test the fan right now because Amazon Prime did not deliver the fuse. So, but we can start the car regardless. It doesn't really matter. We can check and see if it idles okay. So let's see how it does. Keys. Fucking A. All right, I got the keys, so let's see if it idles okay. Ugh. Perfect. Wow, that solved the problem right then and there. That is amazing. So new idler control valve solved the problem. I am going to I'm gonna wash the car because it's absolutely filthy, as you can see. Look at all the filth. It is really dirty. So I'm gonna wash the car and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.